Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. For my base, I started off with this gorgeous Shai nail polish from her summer 2018 collection called Purple Passion. To stamp, I'll use my Beauty BigBang XL-006 plate. And I'll be stamping with my yellow Beauty BigBang stamping polish, which is number 5. To finish off, I'll apply my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. And here's the final manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I invite you to do so by clicking the subscribe button.